And before I leave, manze niko
Thank you.
And we are telling the business community, the entrepreneurs out there, the industries, manufacturers, everybody out there that you can actually insure more than your motor vehicle with Direct Line, and that's why we say do more. Direct Line has big ambitions to continue to partner with our customers to help them grow their business and to protect their investment. And we think that our customers will give us a chance to be able to achieve that objective.
For a long time, Direct Line has been a pioneer. We've been known as very innovative. You saw what we did with BimaTap. BimaTap was a disruption in the market. We made insurance very easy to buy, very easy to access. And I think this is another step change towards making sure that everybody sees insurance as a product that is easy to consume.